All these things we're going to put under acid. When you eat tofu, what tofu will do to you is this. Tofu will enter the body and begin to rob your moisture out of your body. Rob your moisture. Besides robbing your moisture, it's going to rob you of your oxygen. Why? Because tofu is starch. Tofu was made during the year of 1825, is it? By Grigor Mendel. Download this name, put him on the acid side. Mendel. Grigor Mendel, you download him, and he made every beans that we eat. So now, as we look at this tofu business, we find that it is so acid that Mr. Eddie Murphy, first fiancée, her name is Pashawn, she came to me and she said that she was anemic, and she showed me her hands, they were yellow. I gave her Maya, I doubled, I tripled, my hands are still yellow. I said, girl, could I study your case for a while? It took a week. I said, could you come to Florida? She did. The tofu had delivered sulfides in her body. And that sulfide would eat your iron. So I had to remove the sulfide. And the only way that I could remove the sulfide from her body, I had to give her something known as what? Sodium fluoride. That's come from a plant called the blue vervain. 2 days later, her hand was pink because of tofu. Do not, under any circumstances, give this to your children. Milk or the pulp. It is extremely dangerous.